here in the session of mathematics. In today's episode, we will start with the relation and function. So first we will start with the relation. So before going to the chapter of relation, first we will take some example. Suppose, you see, I am taking some example. You read the example, Rani is the sister of Ramu. That means this one is one of the relation. Rani, Ramu with the relation called is sister of, is the sister of, isn't it? Likewise, second example pada, Rama Rao is the father of Bhima Rao. So Bhima Rao father ke Rama Rao. So relation kon hochi is the father of. Okay. So Delhi is the capital of India. So relation kon hochi is the capital of. So ethi mathematically relation भी सेमती नहीं परिबो. Suppose triangle ABC congruent. This symbol stands for congruent. Congruent to triangle DEF. Or you can say L1, the line L1 parallel to L2, or you can say L1 is perpendicular to L2, or you can say mathematically X is less than Y, or you can say X is equal to Y, likewise, and so on. So likewise examples you can take, and all these examples are the relation, are the example of relation. Okay, in our daily life we come across this statement, isn't it? Here the phrases congruent to, parallel to, perpendicular to, less than equal to, is equal to, all these are known as binary relation between the two things. Okay, जेकोनोसी दीटा जिनस भितर गोटे रिलेशन क्रिएट होची less than, is parallel to, is perpendicular to, is equal to, is congruent to. So ये जो phrases गुड़ा हमें English statement रे use करचु, these are called binary relation between the two things. So we shall give a formal abstract definition of binary relation between the two sets using the concepts of Cartesian product of two sets. Now we will give a abstract definition for relation, that is relation definition. Definition रे एठी हमें लिखि परिबा a relation are a relation symbolically denoted by R. Okay. From the set A, into the set into a set B. So two sets are there, A and B. हम relation create करचु A रू B set को. Is a subset of Cartesian product of two sets A cross B. School level रे पढ़थिबो A cross B माने कोन Cartesian product of two sets सेटा पर देखै देबी वर्तमान. So a relation R from the set A into a set B is a subset of Cartesian product of A cross B. तो ये relation टा A cross B रो गोटे subset. That means if a pair AB एटा order pair जानिछ क्रमित जोड़ी उड़िया रे को जाय इंग्लिश से कहे order pair of AB belongs to R गोटे relation होची R set रे. Then we can write we write this one as A is related to B. Okay, या माने कौन पढ़िबो A is related to B, somehow related, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, बा जे कोनोसी गोटे relation रे A B भितर गोटे relation create हेतिबो ताले AB order pair तुमे लिखि परिबो कारण AB belongs to the relation. This one read as A is related, R related, you can write R related to B. Okay, AB भितर की relation अछि R relation, because एठी R मु लिखिछि हला से relation टा को R ना देछि. बट एग्जांपल नउछि देखो, example 1, if A is equal to 1 2 3 set of 1 2 3 and B is equal to 2 5. Okay, ताले ऑर्डर पेयर में लिखिबा A क्रॉस B बाहर करिया समस्त एटा जानिछो A क्रॉस B यार 1 सहित यार सब गुडा नबा ऑर्डर पेयर करी 1 2 1 5 तापर 2 सहित यार सब गुडा नबा 2 2 2 5 बुझि परछो यार 2 सहित 2 नबा 2 सहित 5 भी नबा तापर नेक्स्ट 3 अछि that is 3 2 and 3 5 एटा जानिछो समस्ते ऑर्डर पेयर करिबा A cross B, that is Cartesian product of two sets A and B. If A is given, B is given, set given, if the sets A and B are given, then A cross B माने A रो प्रत्येक एलिमेंट सहित B रो प्रत्येक एलिमेंट को रिलेशन क्रिएट करबा होची, सेटा होची ऑर्डर पेयर. देखो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट गुडा A सेट रो, सेकंड एलिमेंट गुडा B सेट रो. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट गुडा के 1 1 2 2 3, दैट मींस 1 2 3. देखो A सेट रो अछि. B सेट रे सेकंड एलिमेंट अछि, दैट इज 2, एठी 2 अछि, 5 अछि, 2 5. ओके, R1 you have to create the relation R1 such that the order pair xy, such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B and x is less than y. देखिला एटा गोटे रिलेशन रे को एलिमेंट आसीबो. A क्रॉस B रो सबसेट R1 हम जानलु R1 टा A क्रॉस B, ताले A क्रॉस B रो को गुडा देखिबो ई रिलेशन रे सैटिस्फाई करछि. x फर्स्ट ऑर्डर एलिमेंट, x टा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, y टा सेकंड ऑर्डर. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर एलिमेंट टा सेकंड ऑर्डर एलिमेंट थारु लेस हेतिबो, ताले 1 2 जीवो एठी ताले लिखिबो 1 2. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर सेकंड ऑर्डर एलिमेंट थारु less than, that is 1 less than 5, so therefore 1 5 be included in this relation. 2 2 0 since 2 is equal to 2, 2 is not less than 2, that's why 2 2 0. acha 2 is less than 5, 2 5 0, so 2 5 included in the relation. 3 2 3 is greater than 2, not less than 2, so it include kara jibani. 3 is less than 5, yes, so 3 5 include. बुझिगलो गोटे रिलेशन केमती तैयारी हला. रिलेशन रो एलिमेंट गुडा किए हला ना, only those order pairs which are related according to the our condition, that is x is related to y by the relation is less than, this relation is called is less than. ताले हमर ए लेस देन सिंबल रे हम गोटे रिलेशन क्रिएट कलु आ तार एलिमेंट गुडा किए के पाइलु 1 2 1 5 2 5 3 5 on the set A cross B, that is A cross B upare हम रिलेशन क्रिएट कलु. ओके, so now I will take some notes. A relation R on the set A, on the set A, what do you mean by this? जदि एमती लिखाई दियो a relation R on the set खाली गोटे A लिखाई दिला, एठी सिना A cross B बार कलो. on the set A means is a subset of A cross A, is a subset of A cross A, that is any subset of A cross A is the relation on the set A. तमने खाली R on the set A लिखाई छि माने तुमे A cross A फाइंड करिवो, तारो सबसेट तारो एलिमेंट्स गुडा R रो एलिमेंट हेई पारे. सेकंड नोट रे हमें जानि छु if A रो कार्डिनलिटी m, A रो कार्डिनलिटी m माने कोन, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इनसाइड द सेट A इज इक्वल टू m. B रो कार्डिनलिटी n, ताले A क्रॉस B रो कार्डिनलिटी समस्त जानि छु केते हबो, स्कूल लेवल रो एटा सिखि के आछो. A क्रॉस B रो कार्डिनलिटी केते हबो mn. हमें एठी एग्जांपल जो नेलु देखि दियो. एग्जांपल रे A रो एलिमेंट संख्या केते, A रो कार्डिनलिटी केते 3, एठी लिखि परिबो A रो कार्डिनलिटी 3 माने तीनटा एलिमेंट अछि. B रो कार्डिनलिटी 2, B रो कार्डिनलिटी हला 2, ताले A क्रॉस B रो कार्डिनलिटी केते हला 1 2 3 4 5 6, ताले 3 into 2 हला ना नहीं. सो A क्रॉस B रो कार्डिनलिटी माने बुझि पाइलो, A क्रॉस B रो कार्डिनलिटी माने नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द सेट A क्रॉस B इज इक्वल टू केते हला mn. ओके, सो केतेटा रिलेशन हबो, number of subset of A cross B set is equal to 2 to pi mn. जान छो एटा पावर सेट ऑफ A, जे कोनोसी सेट रे जदी m टा एलिमेंट अछि, सपोज A रो कार्डिनलिटी n, ताले पावर सेट ऑफ A रो कार्डिनलिटी केते हबो तमे जानि छो, that is 2 to the power n. ए फार्मूला समस्त जानि छो, सेट थ्योरी रे जानि छो. ओके, तो एटा को हम यूज करू. ताले A क्रॉस B रो एलिमेंट जदी mn हुए, ताले A क्रॉस B रो सबसेट संख्या केते हबो 2 to the power mn. Hence we can define 2 to pi mn relation from the set A onto the set B. Okay, hence we can define 2 to power mn relation. ताले केतेटा रिलेशन बाहर करि परिबा, 2 to pi mn relation from the set A onto the set B, from the set set A onto the set B. Okay, ताले जदि A cross B रो mn elements थिबो ताले 2 to power mn relation should be can be defined. Okay, note 3 रे लेख अच्छा सबसेट भितर ए जो सबसेट आमे डिसाइड करछु सबसेट भितर गोटे नल सेट अछि आ गोटे निजे सेट अछि जो नंबर ऑफ सबसेट आमे बाहर करछु 2 to power n रे सेथिरे गोटे फाई गोटे अछि गोटे सबसेट नल सेट इज सबसेट ऑफ एवरी सेट एंड द सेट इटसेल्फ इज ए सबसेट ऑफ एवरी सेट. सो ये जो नंबर ऑफ सबसेट आमे बाहर करलु सेटा ही नंबर ऑफ रिलेशन ताले नंबर ऑफ रिलेशन भितर गोटे नल रिलेशन भी रहउची आ गोटे यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन भी रहउची. सो नल रिलेशन का कहबा तो रिलेशन R is equal to phi from the set A into the set B is called null relation or you can say void relation. जो रिलेशन रे कौन सी एलिमेंट न थाए ताकू नल रिलेशन बा void relation कहि पारे. नाउ विल टेक द नेक्स्ट नोट दैट इज नंबर 4 फोर्थ नोट यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन. बुझी पाइलो यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन आउ नल रिलेशन बा void रिलेशन. नल रिलेशन रे हमर कौन सी एलिमेंट नथिबो यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन रे पूरा सब एलिमेंट थिबो दैट मींस द रिलेशन r इज इक्वल टू a क्रॉस b जेमति हम जानिथिलु द रिलेशन R is equal to A cross B is called the universal relation. Okay, ताले बुझी पाइलो null relation and void relation. Null relation रे R is equal to phi and R is equal to A cross B जदि total A cross B सब गुडा रहिला एलिमेंट सेटा कहबो यूनिवर्सल रिलेशन जदि किछि एलिमेंट नथिबो सेटा कहबो phi null relation. से ए दीटा को रिलेशन को ट्राइवियल रिलेशन कहा जाय. ओके सेटा नोट 5 रे लिखि दियो. सो द null relation and the universal relation from the set A into the set B is called into set B are known as trivial relation. Okay, trivial relation माने कौन null relation और universal relation. Okay, now we'll take domain and range of the relation. Okay, तो domain and range क्यों केमती decide करिवा. तो domain and range now we'll take domain and range of the relation. Domain and range को केमती define करा जाए देखि दियो. If R is a relation from the set A into the set B, then the first element of the set R is called the domain of the relation R. Domain of R is equal to set of A such that a B order pair belongs to R. बुझी पाइलो जदि ऑर्डर पेयर AP belongs to R तार फर्स्ट एलिमेंट गुडा कौन हो डोमेन से मान को नहीं कि जो सेट टा हबो ताको डोमेन कहबो. फॉर एन एग्जांपल सपोज अछि 2 5 3 1 0 5 देन डोमेन ऑफ R. डोमेन को शॉर्टकट रे डोम R लिखा जाए. डोमेन ऑफ आर कोस एलिमेंट गुड़ा देख ये 2 अच्छी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर 3 अच्छी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर 0 अच्छी सो 2 3 0 और 0 2 3 likewise you can write okay तापर as a range if R is a relation from the set A into the set B then the set of second element of the set R is called range of R is called the range of R. For an example, or you can write that is range of R is equal to set of B such that a B belongs to R. तमने रेंज आर लिख परियो ताकु भी डेफिनेशन ताकु शॉर्टकट रे लिख परियो आर एन जी आर. For an example, if you will take one example, suppose R is the set of order pair 5 1 5 3 and 2 8. The range R, that implies range R is equal to second order element गुड़ा किए 1 3 8. So it लिखो 1 3 8 सेट आकर लिखो बुझिपाइल ताले रेंज आउ डोमेन बुझिगल ताले डोमेन टा होची फर्स्ट ऑर्डर एलिमेंट रेंज टा होची सेकंड ऑर्डर एलिमेंट सो डोमेन एंड रेंज ऑफ नॉन रिलेशन phi is phi एटा गोटे नोट रे लिखि देबो वी विल राइट द नोट दैट इज डोमेन एंड रेंज of null relation is also phi and domain of A cross B universal relation domain of universal relation is A whereas range of universal relation is B from the set A into the set B. Okay, now we'll take inverse relation. First we'll take definition, then we'll take some example about the inverse relation. How could you find the inverse of a relation? R is a relation from the set A into the set B then the inverse relation from the set B into A is denoted and defined by R inverse written likewise R to the power minus 1 that is R inverse is the relation set of order pair BA order pair माने बुझी परछो set of BA that is set of order pair BA such that AB belongs to R order pair of AB should be belongs to R that means inverse means उल्टे दो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर टा सेकंड ऑर्डर को नहीं जो सेकंड ऑर्डर टा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर को नहीं आसीबो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर एठी कोन थिला आर रे ए थिला बी टा कोन थिला सेकंड ऑर्डर तो बी टा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर को पळे आसला आर इनवर्स रे ए टा थिला फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रे सेटा गला सेकंड ऑर्डर को ओके सो आर इनवर्स शुड बी ऑर्डर ऑफ BA set of order of BA where the order pair AB belongs to R. Okay, now we'll take some example. Let A is equal to set of 1 2 3 and B is the set of 3 5. Okay, now we have to make a relation R is equal to set of AB such that A less than B. That means A is related to B, that is in such a way that the first order is less than the second order. So first you have to find A cross B, then R is equal to, so which can be written as first order is here 1 1 3 1 5. You should write 1 3 1 5. Why? Because 1 is less than 3 and also 1 is less than 5. Also you will take 2 3 2 5, 2 3 and 2 5, and the order pair 3 3 should not be taken. Why? Because 3 is equal to 3, but 3 5 should be taken. 3 5. Okay, so this is the relation of R. R consists of these elements. Now we have to find the R inverse. Okay, so R inverse is equal to, just you reverse this order pair, that is 3 1 5 1 3 2 5 2 and also 5 3. Okay, without repeating. Now we'll take the arrow diagram. Arrow diagram means Venn diagram. Arrow diagram of the relation. In arrow diagram, first you will take two sets. Suppose this one is the first set and this one is the second set. Okay, this set named by A and this set named by B. So A set re kon kon achi 1 2 3. So you should write here 1 2 3, and B set contains the element 3 and 5. Okay, now the relation R is 1 3 1 5. So 1 is related to 3, 1 is related to 3, so likewise symbol, and 1 is related to 5, likewise 1 is related to 5 also. Also you have 2 3, also 2 3 relation will be there, 2 3, and 2 5 also, 2 5, likewise 2 5 also there, 3 5 3 5, only 3 5. So likewise relation should be given. This one is the arrow diagram, and you should give the arrow mark. You should give the arrow mark from 1 to 3, 1 to 5, and 2 to 3, 2 to 5, 3 to. Relation R from the set A into the set B can be represented by means of diagram called the arrow diagram. So you can write here a relation R from a set A into the set B can be represented by means of a diagram called arrow diagram. Okay. Now we will take some example. Now we read the question. Example 1. Let A is equal to set of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Define a relation R from a set A onto set A. Or empty with R on A. On A means domain set is A, also codomain set is A. Okay. On A means both set are A, or from A to A by the relation R. That is, the definition of the relation is set of order pair xy such that y is equal to x plus 1. That means second order element is equal to first order element plus 1. Okay. Now we have to write the elements of R. What are the order pairs inside the set R, and represent the relation by an arrow diagram, and also write down the domain and range of R. Now we'll take the solution. First, what are the given condition we have? You can write we have A is equal to set of what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Also we have the R set defined by order pair xy such that y is equal to x plus 1. These are two given conditions. Now we have to find first bit A. So R is equal to set of, now when x is equal to 1, the value of x should be taken from the set A. Okay, so when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to x plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 1 2, that implies 1 2 belongs to R. That means inside the R first element is 1 2. Likewise when x is equal to 2, that implies y is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. That implies first order is 2, second order is 3. So order pair 2, 3 belongs to R, and when x is equal to 3, that implies y is equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4. So order pair 3, 4 belongs to R. Now next, that is when x is equal to 4, likewise y is equal to 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. So 4, 5 also belongs to R. And when x is equal to 5, so y is equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. That implies 5, 6 belongs to R. But if we take x is equal to 6, then what about y? Y is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, which does not belongs to A. That's why 6, 7 does not belongs to R. So you will stop here. Hence, the relation set R is equal to all the order pair consist of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Okay, that's your answer. B, you have to draw the arrow diagram. Now I will take arrow diagram, that is likewise. So this is the A set, and this one is also A set, because it has given in the question relation on A. Relation on A means domain set is A, codomain set is A. Now these are the elements of A. First you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also you should write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now we have to relate 1, 2. 1, 2 relation is there. That's why 1, 2. And 2, 3 relation is there. That's why 2, 3. 3, 4 relation is there. That's why 3, 4. 4, 5 relation is there, that's why 4, 5. 5, 6 is relation is there, that's why 5, 6. Now I will give the arrow mark. Arrow mark, that is arrow diagram. Since this one is a arrow diagram of the relation, so you can write here the arrow diagram is just the arrow diagram is given by this one. Okay, now I'll take the domain and range, that is in the set C, that is in the question C. He is asking write down the domain and range of the relation R. Now domain of R, you can write here domain of R is equal to how much? That is, here you see one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the first order elements are the domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write inside the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we'll take the range of R. Which one is the range? So range of R, that is second order element. Second order element is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the range. Okay, so domain of the relation and range of the relation you have written. Likewise, you can do all the problems related with relation. Okay, so that's all for the today's session. In the next session we'll take types of relation, that is empty relation, universal relation, identity relation, reflexive relation, symmetric, transitive. All these relation we should discuss in the next session. So until then, goodbye. Thank you.